Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secret channel. In this video, we will talk about what kind of affiliate offers you should choose before starting out with your online business, that is with affiliate marketing. So it's an important, very important step. You choose a right product before you get started, because you'll be putting all your efforts and energy in order to promote that particular product. And also in the end of this video, I'm going to give you one of the free course that will help you start your online business completely from scratch, and you can implement those strategies with any of the product that you're going to choose today after watching this video. So please make sure you stay till the end of this video. And also before we get started, if you're brand new to my channel, I'll be making videos about how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to build sales funnel, and how to do email marketing, etc. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button so to get new updates whenever I upload a new video. So coming back to today's topic, what kind of affiliate offers you should choose. So there are only two types, in my opinion. You should focus on only two types of product once you select your niche. You need to focus on only these two type of products. One is high ticket products that are $1,000 plus products, and one more is recurring commissions programs. I'll discuss about each one of them here. What I meant by high ticket products is like any product that has value more than $1,000, like you can go ahead and promote that. Let's say you have selected a product that is costing like $10 and they have a commission rate of 50%. Even we consider 50%, you're getting $5 in commission. All right, and in order to make $1,000 per month, you need to sell at least 200. You need to make at least 200 sales of that particular product, because you'll be putting all the and let's say you have another product that you're promoting which costs around $2,000, and even they are paying you 50% commission, and let's say for each sale you're making $1,000. So you see the comparison, because it will take all the same amount of effort in order to sell the $10 product and $2,000 product as well, because you need to create the content, you need to advertise it, or you need to market your content, and then somebody will come and buy it. So it will take same amount of efforts. So it's always good that you choose a high ticket product. So let's say you are selling something, for each sale you're getting $1,000 per sale. In a month, in order to make $10,000, all you need to do is just make 10 sales, which is absolutely easy if you choose the right product and if you apply the right strategies and you take action. So that's why I recommend high ticket products. And next one is recurring commission programs. Why you should invest in recurring commission programs is, let's say when I say recurring commissions, like there are programs that run on a monthly subscription basis. Let's say you referred somebody to a particular product, and that is costing the person like $100 per month, and they are paying you 40% commissions. So every time the person pays $100 to that company, the company will pay you 40% commission, that is $40. So I'm talking about only one person here. So as long as that person is active with that company, you're going to keep on getting commissions. Let's say you refer 10 people, you will make $400 every single month, as long as they are active with that particular program. So it's always important that you choose a high ticket product or the recurring commission program. So these are the two things, because in my journey, like when I learned about affiliate marketing 2 years back, I was completely lost, like what kind of offers I should choose to promote, because I had no clue. Because everybody's talking about select a niche that you're passionate about, find a product that has value, and all that stuff. So I was really like not getting what actually I'm going to promote. So what happened in few days, like I started learning more about sales funnels and email automation and websites creation of using WordPress. And I realized there are software that you need to you need those softwares in order to build your online business, and those softwares are very necessary for each and everyone. So I decided whatever I'm using personally, I'm going to promote the same products. I am going to discuss some of the programs that I promote personally, so that way you can get an idea, and maybe you can apply what all products that you used in your journey and how you can promote the same. Why I'm telling this, because you have the experience of those using those products, you know what you're using, and once you start selling the same thing, then it's going to make a lot of difference, because you actually solving somebody else's problem. Because when I was starting out, I was searching like how to create a website, So you need a web hosting service to, in order to create funnels, like you need a softwares, and in order to automate your emails you need a autoresponders. So there are a lot of softwares that are basic necessity, and those had value, those still have demand in market. So that's why I chose these product. I'm going to talk about one by one each here. The first one I'll talk about is Bluehost web hosting program. Bluehost web hosting program, affiliate program. So basically, if you're not aware what is Bluehost is, Bluehost is a hosting company that help websites that help people to host their website on Bluehost. And every business needs a website, and every business website needs to be hosted somewhere. So these guys are, this platform is very, very good for every, because their affiliate offer is also like, it's absolutely free to join. You don't have to pay anything to Bluehost to in order to become an affiliate. All you need to do is just fill up some form and get started with their affiliate program. And one more thing I like about them is like, let me just refresh this page. Reliable tracking. What I meant by that is, once you sign up for any affiliate program, you will get a unique link to promote that particular product. And I don't say it happens with every affiliate program, but for some of the companies, like you referred somebody through your affiliate link and the customer purchased from your affiliate link, but the commissions don't show up in your dashboard. But I never seen that happen with Bluehost. That's one of the best part about them. And they have a dedicated team, like you can always contact them if you need any help. Unlimited earnings. There is no maximum cap that you can refer only these many people, because obviously Bluehost needs money. Even they want to make more money, so you can earn unlimited. And they have other resources as well that you can use, all the banners. And the way you can promote this product is, you can go and talk to your businesses like, hey, you need a website, and I'll help you create a website. And in order to create that website, you need hosting. So you can recommend them Bluehost, or you can write a blog post about how to create a website and how to set up everything using Bluehost, and there you can promote. Or you can make a how-to video, how actually you can use Bluehost. So this is one of the powerful, very, very powerful tool. And I think they pay you about $65 every person you refer to Bluehost affiliate program. There are a lot of people making full-time income. This is not one of my this is one of the product that I promote, but this is not my primary product. But eventually I'll be taking this up and I'll be strongly promoting this as well. So only drawback I see with Bluehost is they don't really have a high ticket products wherein you will be getting like $2,000 per commissions in per sale, or like something like that. But still, considering everything apart from that, it's a very, very good affiliate program that you can sign up today and start making money online. The next program I'm going to talk about is Shopify. Shopify is a software that will help you create e-commerce stores. And in order to create a store, like this software is very, very perfect for them, because I also use this software in order to create my store. And they pay like on an average of $58 every person you signs up. And as you make the upsell, like they have upsells, like they will sell other products, you can even get $2,000 $2,000 per sale. So they really have a high ticket programs as well. But the only drawback I see here is like, it's not really recurring commission. So you can just, it's also absolutely free. You can just go ahead and apply for it, and you can show people how this software can help them build stores. And you can educate people about this software, and then you can definitely recommend. You can make a lot of money with Shopify store as well. The other program that mainly promote is Clickfunnels. So if you don't know what is Clickfunnels is basically a funnel creation software, where actually you can build sales funnels, and you can create membership sites, and you can create, like, you can restrict membership access to some people, and you can set up payment processing pages within minutes, I would say. And they have some of the beautiful templates. I personally use this software again. And the best part is, with sales funnel, what will happen is, when compared to traditional website, whenever some business creates their own sales funnel. They can sell a product for, they can give something for free for their customer. Then you can take your visitor to a different page where you will sell a product for $100, let's say, and then you will upsell them for a $200 product. And again, if they don't buy, you can downsell it for a $50 product. That's how you can take your visitor to a different web pages, and you can make the most. I mean, you don't want to lose that customer unless he goes through every product that you have. That those pages can be easily built with ClickFunnels because they come up with amazing templates, and you can have your own domain setup, email automation setup, you can host your webinar. There are a lot of things that you can do with ClickFunnels. That was one of the important things, and also they have amazing affiliate program as well. So with ClickFunnels, they pay you 40% recurring commission. And what it means is ClickFunnels comes up with two plans. One is $97 plan, one is $297 plan. And also they have 14-day free trial initially. So whenever you refer somebody to a 14-day free trial, and let's say your user chooses to stay on $97 plan, so they pay you $38 per 0.8 in commissions for one person. So it's not even difficult to refer somebody to a free trial. All right, and that tool has such a powerful tool, and it can do a lot of things. All you need to do is educate them, like how this software can help them grow their business and how they can make more money. So because every business needs sales funnels, and this software can help them achieve that, you can educate them and you can refer them to a free trial. As long as they stay, you keep on getting the commission. And also they have something called as sticky cookies. So it's like whenever let's say you referred somebody to a webinar, they watched it on a mobile, but they want to make a purchase on their laptop, so it's a completely different device. But sticky cookies will backtrack that webinar sale that you made, and whenever they make the transaction on other devices, still you get paid the commission. So that's the beauty of ClickFunnels. And they also have something called as a dream car winners. I haven't personally bought it because you need to have 100 affiliate refer. Let's say you refer 100 people to ClickFunnels software, they pay you $500 per month as a reimbursement for your dream car. And if you refer 200 people, they will pay you $1,000 per month. The best part about ClickFunnels is it's not only the software that you pay, the $97 plan or the $297 plan. They also have low ticket products like expert secret books or .com secret books. Now recently they have launched traffic secret books. They sell it for absolutely free. You can sell them for free, and later on if the ClickFunnels will do the marketing for you, then they will sell the ClickFunnels software and still you get paid the commission. That's how very important. I'm not only talking about low ticket products, they also have a high ticket products like Funnel Builder Secrets, which has a cost starting from $2,000 to $5,000. So you can make commissions starting from $800 to $1,200, or maybe even more. So that's why I love ClickFunnels. And one more part I wanted to tell about ClickFunnels is they have a free training of 30 days where they will teach you step by step how you can promote this product. So it's not only and that training I have personally went through it, where the takeaways that you take from that course is not only you can apply it for ClickFunnels, you can apply it for any other product that you're promoting. That's the best free training. I'll leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and check that training today. And also they have something called as one funnel away challenge. So this is a challenge where they will take you through this is a 30 days challenge where they will divide it into 4 different weeks. And the first week they will take you starting from your belief system to your hook, story, offer, traffic, how to create sales funnel. This is a tremendous this course has most of the value. You will learn a lot of marketing thing from this challenge. You can check this out as well. I'll leave the link in the description. So these all are the things that made me choose ClickFunnels as my primary source of income. So you can go ahead, this is absolutely free to sign up for as an affiliate, but you need to go through that training in order to get approved, like if you want to receive higher rate of commissions. And they have recently changed few things, but it's one of the best affiliate program that you can go ahead and promote. And one more product that I promote is Getresponse. So Getresponse is basically a autoresponder tool. What it will do is you can integrate with you will build your opt-in page anywhere else, like maybe in WordPress or ClickFunnels or in GetResponse as also. You can build your opt-in page. With GetResponse you can automate anything with email. Like whenever somebody comes to that opt-in page, you need to send them an email, all right, so thank you for your purchase or anything. Then you can save those emails in the list, and you can follow up with the emails. You can provide value to your customer. You want to automate, like those all stuff can be done with GetResponse. And they have a free trial of 30 days. And this is also very, very easy to in order to promote, because all you need to do is just refer people to already well-known product, and you need to just send them to a free trial. And they have two structures of giving commissions to their affiliates. One is $100 per sign up you do, or you want 33% recurring commission. In my opinion, I would choose 33% recurring commission, because this is a software everybody needs, and they're gonna stick with this software for a very, very long time. So I'll keep on getting the recurring commission, 33% recurring commission, as long as they are active. So you can go ahead and decide, what kind of products, what plan you want to, and while you're signing up. So these are the major 4 products that I promote. Apart from that, I promote other products as well. I'm not going to talk much detail, but because these were the 4 major products. I hope you got the idea. Like whatever you are doing in your journey, like there are affiliate programs, you can promote the same thing and you can make money. And these softwares everybody needs, every business needs this software. These are very, very basic softwares, and they also have a best training in the their own affiliate programs has best trainings. They can train you like how you can actually go ahead and promote. So in my recommendation, you choose any of the high ticket products or recurring commission programs. You stick with it for a certain amount of time, and you focus on only one traffic source. And once you do all these things right, you will be successful in affiliate marketing. So because you don't want to you start with something and then again you stop it after some time, again you go for another product. So don't do that. Just stick with one product for a certain amount of time, and you will see the results for sure, and you will take once you take the action. And you can choose any of these products in order to make you may be having a question like, I got the product now, maybe how I want to promote. I don't have any action plan right now set up in front of me, whether I should go for a blog or I should create a YouTube channel or anything. I have a step-by-step training created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez, where he will take you through starting from absolutely zero, how you can start your business, how you can generate $100 to $1,000 per day online, even if you're completely new. So you can go through these steps, and this is an absolutely free course. You can go ahead and check this out today. And here because these are the lessons, like 28 minutes, 53 minutes, these have a lot of value. I believe he's gonna sell it for certain, it will be a paid course very soon. Right now it is absolutely free. You can go ahead and check it out in the first link in the description, and you can you can apply these techniques in your business and start making money. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So hope you got the value from this video. See you on the next one. Thank you.